Are you looking for a way to convert your PDF to XLSX? Well, continue watching to discover on how to convert PDF to XLSX with LightPDF. Converting PDF to XLSX is important when you need to export data from PDF documents to Excel spreadsheets, because doing it manually is a bit confusing and time-consuming, especially when you work with large documents. That is why it is recommended to convert your PDF to XLSX to minimize your time and effort. Having said that, you can use LightPDF to convert your PDF documents to Excel online. You can do your work free of charge. This tool also guarantees your protection and safeness, because all documents that upload here are removed permanently after the conversion process. It has also an OCR feature that allows you to convert your photos and PDF files into an editable format. As a result, it is also helpful in converting PDF to XLSX. To start the conversion process, first, go to LightPDF official website, then choose PDF to Excel icon. Then click Choose File button to import file. Click the Convert button to start the conversion process. Once done, click the Download button to download your output. And that is how to convert PDF to XLSX using LightPDF. Thank you for watching.